The Suzuki S-Cross is a compact SUV known for its practicality and affordability, positioning it as a sensible choice among competitors like the Toyota Yaris Cross, Volkswagen T-Cross, and Skoda Kamiq. Design and interior quality. The S-Cross's interior is straightforward and easy to use, but the materials are of lower quality. Whilst its solidity built, it lacks the luxury feel even compared to budget SUVs like the Citroën C3 Aircross. Space. The interior is spacious with its 430-liter boot offering more room than some rivals. Technology and features. Basic tech. The S-Cross doesn't have advanced tech features like a digital dashboard or head-up display. The infotainment system of screen is also basic and somewhat clunky. Standard equipment. All S-Cross models come with a generous list of standard features including heated front seats, keyless entry, LED headlights, and various safety features. Engine options. Mid-hybrid. The entry-level engine is a 1.4-liter turbocharged mid-hybrid petrol engine paired with a manual gearbox and front-wheel drive. It offers good performance and efficiency. Self-charging hybrid. This variant is less impressive, featuring a clunky automated manual transmission that struggles with gear changes and feels underpowered. Pricing. The S-Cross has a starting price of £24,949 with potential savings available through certain dealers.